Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, which you probably are. My name is Aisha and welcome to today's episode of Wig Wednesday. I've been MIA from the channel for a couple weeks. My last video I had a very bad case of COVID, but it's been weeks if not a month later and I am in much better health today, which I am so thankful for. Another thing that I am super thankful for, about 10 days ago, I hit 500 subscribers, and today, 10 days later, I'm at around like 542. So the growth is doing pretty good on the channel. You guys are like loving Wig Wednesdays. You guys are just enjoying them. So I'm gonna try and keep pushing them out for you. But as usual, we're just gonna go and get started. As usual, today's wig is from Outre, and this is a part of their melted hairline lace front wig collection. I got her in the style Darcy, and she is 14 inches long, and I got her in the color Hazelnut Mocha, but as usual, she comes in tons of other colors. This is the hair in the box, and this is how it just looks in the little picture. It's just a cute little short chop cut. This is super cute. I like the bluntness of the bottom, but I'm just gonna slip this off and slip her on right quick and be right back to you guys. Okay ladies, this is the wig on. I really like the bluntness of it. She is super soft. Outre wigs, even though they're synthetic, they're always super soft and super like movable. I'm just gonna cut the lace really quick and then see what's going on. But so far, like, it's giving like mom haircut vibes. Like, I feel like I'm on my way to like a PTO meeting or something like that. But let me cut this lace and see what this wig is talking about. Okay, here she is. She's looking like a little bit flat, like in this front piece right here. So I do want to grab my curling iron and just like, even that's good. Like, I don't even have to get anything. This is how the lace is looking without it being like laid down or anything. There's also a super harsh light on me right now, so let me turn that down. But like, that's how like the lace is looking like. If you like glue it down, it's gonna look much more seamless, but y'all know me, like, I do not glue my wigs down. I just put a little bit of foundation like on the cap and it was all good. This is what she's looking like. I'm honestly loving the color too. Like, these highlights are super cute. And then it's kind of like a dark brown right here and like a chocolate brown here, and then kind of like a honey brown blonde there too. But this is her. But yeah guys, as usual, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this wig, just comment them down below, or DM me on Instagram, whatever you want to do. I'm so sorry these Wig Wednesday videos are super quick. It's just like, I don't really customize my wigs. Like, I literally just like throw them on and show you, and like, that's that. But like, what else do you need from me, you know? But yeah, as usual, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you tune in for next time. I would say next week, but I don't know when the next time I'm gonna do one of these is. But loving this hair. Thank you for watching.
It's connected to you.